Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to show you how to fix buttons that may be stuck on your controller. So for me, my B button, whenever I pressed it down, it kind of just got stuck for a little bit and it wouldn't work. And I have a very simple and easy solution to this. All you'll need is a little bit of rubbing alcohol and a Q-tip. Now, what I did was I took the rubbing alcohol, and I dipped this in there, just a little bit. And then all you have to do, as simple as this, just rub the rubbing alcohol on the buttons that are stuck. And what this does is the rubbing alcohol seeps into those cracks, and then it'll just fix it. And because it's rubbing alcohol, it will, dissolve. And you really don't want to do this with water or take apart your controller, because it can be dangerous, and sometimes it can be hard to, put back together. But as you can see, this button was stuck literally, I'd say, 2 minutes ago. I tried this trick, and it's almost instantaneous results if you do it right. And that's about it. And if you like the video, you make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you want more like this.